Welcome to La Grande podcast, Miami Beach. I am Marlon. Welcome. This is my office and my playground. I wanted to create a video on my visit at the Museum of Graffiti in Wynwood for Art Basel just recently. It was one of those days I wasn't even planning on going, but I thought if I go, I can grab some good content for the podcast. So, packed my camera, hopped on my bike, went over. As soon as I got in, I saw the boxing ring, saw all the pieces and the paintings. I thought it was going to be a good day. I was feeling the energy, some dope hip hop, with the DJing. Me and Ket started, discussing some pieces. He asked me, "Have you been inside yet?" I said, "No." So he shows me inside, takes me in the tour. We go around, I'm absorbing, I'm taking it all in, some dope pictures, some jackets. And we come around this wall, and then he says, "Check it out." And I look, and there I see it. I'm spotting it. My canvas from 1989 that I did for the first Miami Graffiti Gallery show at Altamira Gallery in Miami Beach. I actually jumped on a podcast that was there at the gallery, and he got in and hosted it for me. I was gonna speak to someone else there, but he jumped in and said, "Yo, let me do this," and we caked it. We talked about the Who DFC battle at Bonnie's pool, because Bonnie was up at the topic, and talked about about the piece and about a lot of old school stuff. I can go over that in some other time. Hopefully I can bring Ket here. That'll be cool, and have another interview. I have a lot I can share. But it was a grand moment, and I thank Ket for showing love, and Addison, and the Museum of Graffiti, and all those who are involved there of putting that together and recognizing Miami Graffiti history. Miami Graffiti.